In today's video, I will show you how to create a room in Ludo King. To get started, launch the Ludo King app on your mobile device or PC. From the main menu, select the Play with Friends option to begin setting up your private match. Now, it's time to set up your lobby. First, choose the number of players you want in the game. Next, select your entry fee. This is the amount of coins each player will contribute to the prize pool. Once you've set the stakes, click Next. On the following screen, you can customize your game by selecting your token style and your favorite token color. You can also choose which specific game mode you'd like to play. When everything looks good, simply click the Create Room button. Once the room is created, an 8-digit room code will appear at the top of your screen. This is the code your friends will need to join you. You can share it easily via WhatsApp or SMS, or even invite people directly through your Facebook friend list or in-game buddy list. As soon as your friends have joined the lobby, the play button will become active. Just give it a click to start the match and let the fun begin. And that's it! That's how you create a room in Ludo King. Thank you for watching.